Hi friends, welcome to Creation Technologies. Please do like and subscribe to our channel so that you will get latest notifications. And today in this video we will talk about how to use the TrimEnd method inside string in C#. So basically the TrimEnd method, what it will do is it will remove all the trailing spaces present in that particular string. So which means, let's say I have a string which contains some of the trailing spaces present in that particular string. So whenever I will just add TrimEnd method to that string, then what it will do is that it will remove all the trailing spaces present in that string and it will just return that particular string. And to demonstrate how to use the TrimEnd method inside the string in C#, let me just move to the Visual Studio to give you an example. So here I will take a string str and I am just taking here my string as world, but you can take any type of string, and here I am just adding few of the trailing spaces. And let me just take another string and here I will just add my TrimEnd method, and here I will just print my TrimEnd string. So when this program will execute, so what it will do is it will just take this string, and after we apply the TrimEnd method, so it will just remove all these trailing spaces present in that string and it will just return us the world string. So let me just run the application, and here in the output window you can see it just remove all the trailing spaces and it just return the world string. Thank you.